Hello students, welcome to U Academy. Today you are going to learn NCERT Maths Class 10 Chapter 2 Polynomial. In this the topic is how to find the roots of a quadratic polynomial and how to verify the relationship between the roots and the coefficients. In the previous class you learned how to find the roots of a linear polynomial and you learned how to verify the relationship between the roots and the coefficients. Do you remember what is the zero of a polynomial? The value of x which makes the polynomial into 0 is called zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial, or we can say roots of a polynomial. So the value of variable which makes the polynomial equal to 0 is called roots of the polynomial or zero of the polynomial. Do you remember the general form of the quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. So that is Ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is constant. Okay, so we are going to find the zero of this polynomial. So, you remember what is trinomial? An expression which is having three terms. So, here there are three terms. So, this is a trinomial. Since it is in the trinomial form, we are going to factorize this expression. Why do we factorize here? Because the power of x is 2. So, to make it single power, to make it power 1, we are going to factorize this. There are many methods to factorize. Since here we are going to do splitting the middle term method. So, let us take p and q are the two factors of the polynomial. Just we are taking, okay, p and q are two factors of this polynomial. Then the sum of these two factors, that is p plus q. Sum of these two factors will be equal to the middle term, that is the coefficient of x. So what is here coefficient of x? B. So that will be equal to b. Sum of these two factors will be equal to the coefficient of x, that is b. Okay, then the product of these two factors will be equal to the product of coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? That is a. So product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So constant term is here c. So a into c. Only these two you have to keep in your mind. So, if you are taking p and q are the two factors and the sum of these two factors will be equal to the coefficient of x. Product of these two factors will be equal to the coefficient of x square and constant, that is ac. So, now let us find the roots or zeros of one problem. Okay, x square plus 7x plus 10. We are taking x square plus 7x plus 10. We are going to find the roots of this quadratic polynomial. This is in the trinomial form. We are going to use the splitting the middle term. Okay. Now, what is a here? There is no number, isn't it? But here it is 1. The coefficient of x square is 1. And what is the coefficient of x? That is 7. Constant term is 10. Okay. Just remember this. Okay. So x square plus 7x plus 10. We are going to find the roots of this quadratic polynomial. So here we know product of these two factors will be equal to the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So here what is the coefficient of x square? 1. 1 into 10, 10. So first we want to find the factors of 10. Factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 into 10, then 2 into 5. Any other way we can get? No. 1 into 10, 2 into 5 are the factors. So when you are multiplying, you should get the product of coefficient of x square and the constant. So 1 into 10, you are getting 10, okay. 2 into 5, 10, you are getting, okay. Now the sum of the two factors should be equal to the middle term, that is 7 here. B is 7 here. So these are the factors. 1, 10, 2 and 5 are the factors here. So 1 plus 10, and you are adding these two, 1 plus 10, will you get 7? No. So it is not suitable here. And add these two, 2 plus 5, that is 7. So these two roots will be correct. So 2 plus 5, you get the middle term. 2 into 5, you are getting the coefficient of x square and constant, that is a into c, that you are getting 10. So 2 and 5 are the two factors of this polynomial. Okay. So now we are going to split the middle term. How? Let us see. Here it is x square. The middle term is 7x. We can write this to two factors. Here are 2 and 5. So we are going to write as 2x plus 5x and this 10 plus 10. So this 7x we have split it into two terms, that is 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x how much? 7x. So now we are taking these two numbers in a group and these two as in a group. So from these two, which is the common factor? Find the common factor of these two, that is x. Okay, that you take outside. So from this x square, 1x has gone out. Remaining n factor is x. And this plus we are writing. From this 2x, we took the x factor outside. So remaining factor is 2. Okay. And this plus we are writing here. And from these two, which is the common factor? 5. So we take 5 outside. So in this 5x, we took 5 outside. What is the remaining factor here? X. And this plus, from this 10, we took one factor 5 outside. So which number will come here? How many 5's make 10? 2. Now you can see from this, which is the common factor. This is now in a binomial, right? This is the binomial. From this, which is the common factor? X plus 2 is the common factor. So that we take outside. In this, we take x plus 2 outside. The remaining factor is x. Same way, here 5 into x plus 2. This x plus 2 we have taken outside. So the remaining factor is 5 and we are adding this 5 here plus 5. Now we are going to solve this. Since here we are going to do, we are going to find the 0 of the polynomial. So it should be equal to 0. We know 0 of the polynomial means here it should be equal to 0. So this x plus 2 equal to 0. Same way, x plus 5 equal to 0. By solving this. So how do you solve this? By taking x here, x will be this 2. Cancelling this 2 means this side will come minus 2. You know how to solve the equation, right? Same way, here x plus 5 equal to 0. That means x equal to, now going to the right side, it will come negative 5. So here minus 2, minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial. So here normally we say these roots by the letter alpha and beta. Okay. Here alpha is -2, beta is -5. You can write like this. Alpha equal to -2. There are roots. Roots we call alpha, beta, gamma like that. Okay. So alpha is -2, beta equal to -5. This way you have to find the roots of the quadratic polynomial. Here you have to keep in your mind is sum of the two factors will be equal to the middle term, that is b. Product of the two factors will be equal to the coefficient of x square and constant. If you keep this, you can get the answer very easily. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So if you are taking here alpha plus beta, sum of the roots, okay, sum of the zeros, that is -2 plus -5. Since both are negative, we know how to add the integers. Both are negative, so we are adding the integer and putting the negative sign. So -7. Alpha plus beta equal to -7. Let us see here the coefficient. If you take b, here b is 7, a is 1. If we take b by a, that is equal to 7 by 1, that is equal to 7. 7 by 1 means 7. So if you take the negative of b by a, it will be equal to -7. So sum of the two zeros will be equal to minus b by a because both are -7. Alpha beta, if you are looking the product, alpha beta equal to -2 into -5. So that is equal to, when you are multiplying two negative numbers, it will come positive. So 2 into 5, 10. Negative into negative, positive. So we are getting positive 10. So here you can see constant by the coefficient of x square. C by a. What is C here? 10. A is 1, that is equal to 10. So both are 10. So from this you can get alpha beta equal to 10, C by a equal to 10. So what is the relation between the zeros and the coefficient is alpha into beta will be equal to constant term by coefficient of x square, that is C by a. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Like this we are getting the conclusion. So first, when you are getting a quadratic polynomial, you have to split this. So first you have to find the product of coefficient of x square and the constant. Find the factors of this number. After that, split the middle term. Then you can take these two groups and you can make it 0 and find the 0 of the polynomial. And one root we call alpha, the another root we call beta. So alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a, and the product alpha beta will be equal to c by a. Let us see one more example. X square plus 4x minus 21. What is a here? That is 1. There is no number, means don't think that is 0. Okay, 1 into x only x. 1 into x square only x square. So coefficient of x square is here 1. And b equal to 4, 1. Okay. So first we are going to find the factors. First we have to remember that sum of the two factors, that is p plus 2 equal to b, and we know product of the two factors pq equal to ac. So first find ac. So a is 1 and c is 21, that is minus 21. First you can consider 21. So 1 into 21, 21. So first we have to find the factors of 21. What are the factors of 21? That is 1 into 21, then 3 into 7, right? Or 7 into 3. These two are the factors. So 1 into 21 is one set, another set is 3 into 7. So let us see which one is possible here. So 1 plus 21, that is 22. Middle term is not 22, it is 4 only. So here 3 into 7. So 3 plus 10, 7, 10. But here only 4. But you can see here, we wrote only the factors of 21. But here the fact C is minus. So since it is minus, we have to find minus. So either 3 or 7 should be minus here. Then only we can get minus. So we know when you are adding two integer, one positive number, one negative number, we subtract the numbers and we put the big number sign. Since it is the positive 4, the bigger number should be positive. Understood? So since here it is minus 21, either 3 or 7 should be negative number. And you can see which one will be negative. Just see here. This 4. This B is positive integer. Since it is positive, here the bigger number should be positive. So negative 3. 7 is the positive number. So now you can see 7 plus minus 3, we get 4. 7 into 3 minus 21. Minus 3 into 7, 21. So this is the factor. This is not equal. Okay. Now we are going to split the middle term by using these two factors. So x square plus this 4x can be written as minus 3x plus 7x and minus 21. Okay. So again, what we are going to do next? We are going to make a group here. So among these two, which is the common factor? Here x square and here minus 3x. So x is the common factor. We take outside. From the x square, one factor x we took outside. The remaining factor is x. And this plus. But here no, minus 3x, we take x only outside. This minus 3 is balance here. So we are writing here minus 3. Okay, because we are not writing the plus because here the minus 3. Okay, and this plus among these two, you can see 7x minus 21, which is the common factor 7. So from this 7x, we take the factor 7 outside. So remaining factor is x and minus. How many 7s make 21? 3. Always remember these two should be same. Okay, like that you have to convert. When you are doing this grouping, you have to keep in your mind this should be equal. So now from this is the binomial. One term here, another term here. From this binomial, which is the common factor. This will be the common factor. So we take outside x minus 3. So from here we take x minus 3. So remaining factor is x. That we are taking another one. Okay. Then this plus. From this, we already taken here this x minus 3 outside. So remaining factor is 7. So here what we are going to find? We are going to find the zeros of the polynomial. So it should be equal to 0. Okay. Since it is 0 means x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 7 equal to 0. We are going to solve this. Now this is a linear equation, right? Yes. How do we find x equal to? When you are taking this minus 3 to right side, it will become positive 3. Here x equal to, here since it is positive 7, when it goes to the next right side, it becomes negative 7. So 3 and negative 7 are the roots. 3 minus 7 are the roots or zeros of the polynomial. Now we are going to check this. So this we call alpha, the second root we call beta. So here alpha equal to 3, beta equal to -7. Now we are going to find the sum. Alpha plus beta equal to 3 plus -7. One positive number, one negative number. How do you add this? We will subtract the number, we put the big number side. So 7 minus 3, 4, which is a big number here, 7, so it will become -4. Okay. Here we are going to find b by a. What is b by a here? 4 by 1. What is 4 by 1? That is positive 4. But here negative 4, right? So it will be equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means -4. So sum of the two roots will be equal to minus b by a. Product, find the product. Alpha beta equal to 3 into -7. So when you are multiplying one positive, one negative number, we get negative. 3 into 7, 21. So alpha beta product is 21, minus 21. Here C by A. C by A equal to minus 21 by what? How much is A? 1. Minus 21 by A equal to minus 21. Hence we verified the relationship. The product of the two roots or product of the two zeros will be equal to C by A. C is constant, A is the coefficient of x square. Sum of the two roots, that is equal to minus b by a. B is the middle term, coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Okay. I hope you understand this topic. Let us see another topic in next class.
Take care. Till then, bye.